What a lovely morning, Dada. Perfect to build my home today.
Step by step, Dada, soon my little home will be ready.
My future little ones. I'll take good care of you, Dada. Hey, 3 shine eggs, Dada. They look tasty. I'll be back soon, my babies. Stay safe, Dada.
Just one bite, Dada. No one will know.
Oh no, my eggs, they're gone, Dada. What happened, Dada? Who made you sad? Someone ate my eggs, Dada, all of them. Don't worry, Dada. We'll teach that thief a lesson. Yes, Dada, let's do it. Bananas will call the monkey. Da-da-da! Bananas! My favorite, Dada.
Oh no! What's this, Dada?
Got you, Dada.
I'm sorry, Dada. I was hungry. I shouldn't have done that.
We forgive you, Dada, but promise.
No more stealing.
Thank you, Dada. I'll be a better friend.
That's the real lesson, Dada.
Kindness and wisdom make every heart bright, Dada.